Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Tony. I'm from Chasing the X. You can find us on YouTube. I have been hunting for about 6 years now. I was fortunate enough to get a trusty Shotkam. I love this thing, and I'm going to tell you why. In this video, I'm going to show you guys some shooting with the Shotkam of me missing and shooting afterwards and hitting the birds. And when I was interested in getting a filming device for my shotgun, such as the Shotkam, I looked up several different types of shooting type devices to film. The Shotkam beat all of them. And the main reason why is the red dot in the center of your video when you're shooting is actually adjustable. The Shotkam is the absolute best video recording device for your gun that you can get, hands down. There's nothing out there better. It has a longer battery life, more storage, an adjustable red dot, which is a huge factor. Also, you can change that to what you like, whether it's the crosshair, the red dot. I've had the Shotkam now for about a month, and just in a month, it's probably improved my shooting probably about 50%. I'm hitting a lot more ducks than I did before. I would never hunt without this Shotkam. It makes for great videos and great tool to improve your shooting. In this video here, you can see where I'm behind the bird. I'm leading, boom. You see the shot. You see the pellets go behind the bird. Now you can see that you need more lead. In this next video here, as I'm leading the bird, you can see I'm pretty far in front of it. And I shoot, and I hit the bird. We spend lots of money on duck hunting. Why wouldn't you want to improve your shot? A GoPro won't tell you if you're behind your bird from 30 yards out. Guess what? A Shotkam will. Overall, my experience with Shotkam has been absolutely amazing. They have the best customer service. They care, and they want to make sure that you can shoot better. And they also provide an awesome product that you will be happy about. In the end, if they ask, would you recommend this product to your friends and family? Absolutely. I think everyone should have a Shotkam. Head on down to YouTube and type in Chasing the X to see more video footage of my Shotkam in my videos. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know if you ended up getting a Shotkam, or you can check down below and we'll have a link to where you can purchase a Shotkam for yourself. Again, thanks for watching. Here's a little bit of video footage from my Shotkam. Have a great day.